Okay. That was my power bank. I need to charge that. Right there, I can just use this. The flip. Oh, right there. Let's just use that right there. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh. Get gas in the morning. I'm not texting him. Bitch, I'm not texting you. We're not together. But he won't understand that.
Beauty more variety from the 2000s to 90s and say, you know, there was so much Harry Styles drama going on. You know about all this? I'm not getting into it. I'm just going to get into this. Play as it was for Harry Styles. We're starting with 3.
Which is nice. Be driving like that? No, I'm not. I'm not fucking doing that. You know? Jeez. It's not loud. I'm not trying to be in this stupid lawless city. I'm not trying to be here. Ridiculous, you ask me. Yeah, I'm not trying to be here. Here too, but no one cares. This lawless city.
to play What You Know About That. Are you good? Some days I'm really good, and some days I'm off. Like, I've had a couple of off days, you know, but it's only Tuesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday, and you got another chance tomorrow to win those tickets for I think it's 8:05. Make sure you're playing along with Marcus and Corey. What You Know About That. We're starting with 3.
Get ready to win your way into our 2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival. The same festival where Prince joined Mary J. Blige and Sting joined Lady Gaga as the biggest superstars from all genres of music come together September 23rd and 24th at T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. Tickets are on sale right now. AXS.com. Don't miss Avril Lavigne, Black Eyed Peas, Diplo, Halsey, Lionel Richie, DJ Z-Trip. They got Luke Combs, Marcus Mumford, Maren Morris, Megan Thee Stallion, Morgan Wallen, Nicki Minaj, Pat Benatar, and Neil Giraldo, Sam Smith, the Black Keys, and it's all hosted by me, Ryan Seacrest. Stream it free on the CW app and CWTV.com. Keep listening for the next chance to win your way to our iHeartRadio Music Festival and $1,000 spent in cash. See you there.
iHeart and Capital One created a free iHeartRadio Music Festival NFT dropping September 19th for 72 hours. Capital One cardholders can get a special NFT unlocking a chance for a trip to next year's festival. Visit iHeartRadio.com/Capital One NFT for rules and details.
Marcus, I ran into a gal the other day, and she said she was hesitant to try something she heard on the radio, but she ordered the squeezed pressed juices.
She didn't believe us, I'm offended.
Well, she believes us now.
I don't really.
She loves it.
Okay, get a 1-day cleanse, a 3-day cleanse, a 7-day cleanse, and you'll see for yourself. In fact, we even want to offer you free shipping, same day, with the code word radio.
Tell them Marcus and Corey sent you. Just go to squeezed.com.
Once again, squeezed.com.
It's our final sale of the summer. Hey, it's Sean O'Grant of DGDG. And during our annual Labor Day sales event, we've got exciting incentives plus thousands of new and used cars in stock with hundreds of new vehicles in transit. You can buy your new or used car from start to finish completely online with our exclusive no-brainer checkout. And yes, you can even reserve your new ride while in transit. Don't miss our annual Labor Day sales event at DGDG.
Drivers who switch and save with Progressive save over $700 on average, and those savings add up. Imagine what you could buy in the future.
About 15 years ago, I switched to Progressive. Well, I used all those savings to buy that golf club that swings for you. But now everyone who plays golf is really good because, you know, the club swings for you in the future, which is now.
So switch to Progressive and save big because those savings could add up in the future. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. National annual average insurance savings by new customer survey to save with Progressive in 2020. Potential savings will vary.
Ask Sherwin-Williams during the Endless Summer Sale, August 26th through September 5th, and get 30% off paints and stains with prices starting at $29.39. That means 30% off our most popular color family, blue. Psychologists have found it to be soothing and relaxing, which makes it especially great for bedrooms and bathrooms. And of course, 30% off all of our other colors. Shop the sale online or visit your neighborhood Sherwin-Williams store. Retail sales only. Some exclusions apply. See store for details.
If anyone in your home relies on power for medical equipment or has a medical condition with specific heating or cooling needs, you may qualify for PG&E's Medical Baseline Program, helping you pay less for the energy you need. Call 1-800-743-5000 for assistance applying.
We all know someone who's all work and no chill. Trust me, that used to be me. But then I found Galaxy Z Fold 4, which allows me to do more things at once. Much better. Now I can take video calls from my phone and use it to take notes at the same time.
Wait, are you at the spa?
Or check my shopping list while ordering more scented candles and face masks on the foldable, expansive screen. Don't take your to-do list one line at a time. Multitask so you can relax.
Get the new Galaxy Z Fold 4 at Samsung.com today.
If you want your dental visit to feel like this, try Crest Densify. Densify actively rebuilds tooth density to extend the life of teeth by remineralizing enamel. Crest, the #1 toothpaste brand in America.
It's time for our final sale of the summer. Hey, it's Sean O'Grant on behalf of our 3 Bay Area Hyundai stores, Capital Hyundai, Stevens Creek Hyundai, and Fremont Hyundai. And during the Hyundai Getaway Sales event, you'll find exciting offers and incentives on brand new Hyundais, like the award-winning all-electric Hyundai Ioniq 5. And the best part, you can buy your new ride from start to finish completely online with our exclusive no-brainer checkout.
Now that's a happy Labor Day.
And every Hyundai is backed by Hyundai Assurance Connected Care, plus America's best warranty, Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Join over 300,000 happy car buyers and experience the fast, easy, and hassle-free way to buy a car with no-brainer checkout. Don't miss the Hyundai Getaway Sales Event at any one of our 3 Bay Area Hyundai. Online at FremontHyundai.com, StevensCreekHyundai.com, and CapitalHyundaiSJ.com.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. Of course I use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean top messes off my stovetop and bathtub. But then I discovered I can also use it to easily clean my patio furniture and even my shoes. I'm hooked.
And when wipes won't cut it, I use Magic Eraser.